Feel like this happens a lot when I'm doing anything that I was hoping would be, not that hard on a vehicle. So, this Park Avenue is an '01, pretty more or less much fully loaded. The seats got all the options. The one I got from the junkyard is an '02, just basic power seats and nothing much else. It doesn't have the heat, it doesn't have the lumbar, it doesn't have the memory, and so forth. Thankfully, the base that I need, this plastic piece, which was damaged on my car, should work fine. What I'm finding out right now is one of those wild things that you'd never know until you have to actually do this job and it's way too late to do anything about it. The motors, so I guess for whatever reason on mine, the lift, the elevation on the back and the front don't work right. They make noise, but they don't move. So I figured, okay, well, hopefully these are good. Well, it turns out it's these two motors here. These are different than the ones that are in my car. This is the donor one from the junkyard. It's got two wires, a plug over here, right? Okay, go over here, look at mine. Here's the motors for that. Sorry, the computer's in the way. 3-wire plugs, completely different motors. Like, totally different. Actually, this one's the same. The one's the same and the other one is different. Why? Like, why ever? This stuff just drives me nuts. So now I have to, like, I don't know, scratch my head and figure out what the hell I'm gonna do about this now. Because I can't use that there. I don't know why that's 3-wire here and 2 over there, but what the hell? This has like an encoder or something. Actually, you know what? Now that I'm looking at it, as I'm crying about this, that's exactly what it is. The power is a 2-wire, but it has an encoder. I wonder if I can transfer those, maybe. I wonder. Maybe. It's got some pins here. I wonder if those could be transferred. I do kind of see something like that here. You know what? Shit, I wonder if I can do that. Maybe. I'll get back to you.